Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. Before we go ahead and get into this video today, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel and go ahead and like the video. So today we're going to be talking about cold weather and what you need to do to your diesel fuel system to prevent gelling in those colder climates. A lot of you guys may live up in the Canada area, northern United States, and it gets, we have very harsh winters up there. So these are some of the steps that you can take to kind of help with preventing that diesel fuel from gelling up and leaving you stranded on the side of the road. So to start with, we have fresh filters here. We preach that over and over again. Having a fresh set of filters on the truck will improve how well they can flow. If they have, 10, 11,000 miles on them, guys, we say 15 to 20,000. But if you're rolling into those colder months, go ahead and actually just throw a fresh set of filters on them. We at least recommend that. We have the 10 micron filter. We'll get into that here in a second. Fuel quality also plays a huge part in diesel fuel gelling, whether or not it's going to gel or not. If you guys are getting fuel from a gas station that you never have problems with, then just always try to get it to that station. You never know when you're going to pick it up at a gas station or a truck stop where it's plumb full, just has a ton of water in it and it's more likely to gel. Now, obviously, if you're on the road, you guys that are traveling far away, obviously that's not possible. But if you can, we always just recommend, try to get it from the same gas station that you always do, and somewhere where the fuel is good quality. Next, we have the 10 micron fuel filter. So we have two filters. We have the FF100-2 and then the FF100-10. So basically, the micron rating is higher. The media is not as fine inside of the filter, so it allows the fuel to flow better through the filter. So this is going to help with gelling. When the diesel fuel starts to get thick, this is going to keep the fuel moving fast inside the pump. I'm going to also add that is perfectly safe to run in all of your diesel engines. It is a little bit larger of a micron rating, but it's still okay. Anagel. Now, today's Monday, and we just got back from PRI in Indianapolis. That was a great time. Met a lot of cool people at the event, so if any of you guys, any other YouTubers or anything stop by, thank you guys. It was nice to talk to you guys, and plan on having some of them come out here in the future. But Anagels, so we're going to go down to the Hot Shots secret booth here at PRI, and we're going to talk Anagels. So let's go ahead and head down there right now. You're gonna have to bear with us here on the audio. I was actually recording on my cell phone, so it was really hard to pick up what we were saying. Kyle's a pretty loud speaker, so he was easy to understand. So yeah, I do apologize on that, but I just didn't have a microphone or anything with me. Here at PRI 2019 with Kyle.
Nice to meet you. Thanks for coming by, Dylan.
So today he's going to explain to us a little bit about diesel anagels and why they are important to run in your diesel engine.
Yeah, so
I see you have a couple different products.
we do. We have two different winter products that are specifically for the wintertime, cold weather, and the fuel. This is, a lot of people know of our everyday diesel treatment. We use that 3 months of the year, in the warmer weather. Once that temperature drops, we want our customers to switch over to the diesel with our anti-gel. Now, this is still a fully formulated product. It's going to have a cetane booster in it, moisture dispersant, a injector cleaner, a rust and corrosion inhibitor.
So Kyle, is it safe to use an aftermarket leak pump or the product in any car?
Absolutely. This is safe to use in any type of lift pump at all.
Any filter that's out there?
You got it. Now, what we're doing with it is multiple things with one dose. So not only are we treating the fuel, which we know is ultra low sulfur diesel going in there, the entire fuel system we're treating as well. So we're bringing the cetane up and make sure that everything burns better. We're cleaning out the injectors when we do it. In the winter, when we get the different changes in temperature and you get the moisture buildup, well, we got a rust and corrosion inhibitor here, a fuel stabilizer, everything you can think of. And the difference in this product is we add the anti-gel. So that way you're not going to freeze up when the temperature goes too low. Absolutely, absolutely. So most of diesel fuel is wax, and as the temperature comes down, the wax crystals start to form more. Once the pour point gets to the point where you're not going to be able to, move it, those fuel lines are low, you're stuck on the side of the road. And that's this is the oh crap product. If you're using this, you're having a bad day. But it's always a great product to keep in the truck, because if you do have that problem, or sometimes we find that you're bailing out somebody else. You might be going down the road and you're going to see somebody else there that's stuck on the side of the road. This is a product we can pour in the fuel filter, pull right in the tank. It will degel the tank, get them right back in the road moving again.
So if they're on the side of the road, just pull the filter off.
Yep, we recommend the two different treatments on the back here. One is to put half the bottle in the tank, and the other is to pull the fuel filter, put half the bottle of the fuel filter, put it back up, good to go. Absolutely. Thanks for coming back.
We hope you guys enjoyed getting to talk with Kyle over at Hot Shots. He's a very knowledgeable person, and there's a lot of science that goes into making these additives for our diesel fuel to go into our trucks. Last question. I know there's going to be a question here about heating. Go ahead and get that up there. So as far as fuel heaters go, as long as you run a good quality diesel fuel and you run a 10 micron fuel filter and run an anti-gel, you shouldn't need a heater. If you live in a climate where it is cold enough that you do, there are multiple companies out there. You guys will just have to do a little searching online that actually make a heater to work in conjunction with our system. So it is specifically designed for an AirDog lift pump, and it will work good with the pump. So I mean, like I said, it's not really necessary unless you are in extreme cold climate, but in those scenarios, you guys will have an option for an electric heating option. All right, that is going to wrap up the end of the video. Do us all a favor and give us a thumbs up down below, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Without further ado, we'll see you guys on the next one.